Hi, and welcome to the new episode of the Mail Day with BeardedTinker. Today we have additional 5 packages to open. Let's get started. And first package for today . One, two, three. Okay, so I can count. That's nice. What this is cc2531 Zigbee USB modules. What those modules are for? Well, technically, they are for enabling Home Assistant to use Zigbee network or to enable Zigbee devices to connect to Home Assistant. But why do I have 3 of them? Because I'm going to be giving them away. So if you want to get a free cc2531 USB Zigbee debugger, already pre-programmed, so you don't have to do anything, what you have to do is you have to leave a comment down in the description of my next Home Assistant video featuring Zigbee to MQTT video. I bought cc2531 USB Zigbee modules from the Global Purchase store. Previously I bought them from another store. A lot of sellers are selling the same board, so I bought 3 pieces from this store, and it was, I think, even less. It was about $2.90 for a piece when I bought it, and the shipping was around also $2. I think the total value of the shipping with the 3 boards I bought was around $10 or maybe maximum $11. This item has 5-star rating. Seller has 99.2% positive feedback. It's Global Purchase store, as I said. Shipping was really fast. I think the order arrived in less than 2 weeks or maximum 2 weeks time. And I've tested and flashed the newest firmware on the boards, and all of them work really great. Let's open the second package. What are those? Those are K301 connectors, if I'm not mistaken. I will put the correct name down in the description and you will probably see it here on the screen. So you've probably seen them. Those connectors or screws are mounted on the PC board, and you use them to connect wires. I've ordered black and blue for my project, and that project once again is QuinLED Digital Uno. I will also leave a description for the link to the project down in the description. And let's look at the web shop item listing. From this store, Good Electric store with 99.2 positive feedback, I bought those block terminals, 89 cents for 20 pieces blue ones and 89 cents for 20 pieces of the black ones. And as I mentioned it earlier, those boards will be used for the QuinLED project. Shipping was $1.58 to Croatia. I think I managed to get both of those items for this one total price of $1.58. Also, the order arrived very fast. It was a lot faster, I think, than 3 weeks. Again, probably around 2 weeks, 2.5 weeks. I still have to use them for the QuinLED board. Third item for today. Oh! Wow, whoa, whoa! What are those? Okay. I have to check. I think something is missing. I think something is missing here. I will have to double check. But once again, these items are for the QuinLED project. So more and more stuff is coming, and I hope that by the next week or two I will have everything. And then I will also record my first try of building QuinLED digital Uno board. What are those? I think this one is resistors. I don't have magnifying. Yeah, these are capacitors. It's written here. Here it isn't, so okay. Capacitors. Oh, those are two rolls of the resistors. Okay, great. And those are the temperature sensors. I will be adding temperature sensors on board too. So 5 for 5 boards. Let's check web listing. This is the web listing for the Dallas temperature sensors I ordered. I think it's 18B20. The name of the store is HJXRHGAL with 98.8 positive review. Only 3 customer reviews, but the rating is 5 stars. I ordered 5 pieces because I will be adding those temperature sensors to the QuinLED board. They are not necessary, but as the author said, it's great to have those sensors there to monitor the temperature of the board and components while you use them. Again, it was 48 cents for 1 piece. I ordered 5 pieces, and I think I also used free shipping, so it was total less than $2.50 for these 5 pieces. They did arrive in 3 weeks, I think, so it was a little bit slower than the other components, but then again I did use free shipping. Again, from the same store, I did order also some surface mount components. Those are the resistors. For this project I'm working on, I'll need 4.7K. It was 59 cents, and I think the other one was 10K resistor. It was 59 cents also, and I think the shipping was free. The items I ordered from this shop all arrived in the same package. Then from the same seller I also bought rectifier diodes. I think I needed SS24. It was $1.46 for 100 pieces, and the SS12 it was $1.33. Again, free shipping. Also from the same store I ordered 100 pieces of 100 picofarad capacitors, SMDs. It was $1.42 for 100 pieces with the free shipping. And the last item from this store was 100 pieces of 805 SMD capacitors, also with the free shipping. Fourth item for today is... Whoa! Hopefully I didn't cut through cables. Two coolers, and as you can see they are a bit different. I bought these for the Ender 3 printer to cool down the electronics, and those are the larger ones, meaning that normally you get 40-10 coolers, and these are 40-20, meaning that they are 4 by 2 centimeters, if I'm not mistaken. So I have 2 of them to enable better airflow inside the Ender 3 printer. This is the web listing for the fans I ordered. I ordered 40 by 40 by 20 millimeters 24 volt fans because I will be using power supply for the Ender 3, and those fans will be used to cool down
the SKR1.3 board and the Raspberry Pi and other components. I bought 2 pieces, the price is $1.25 for a piece, and it was free shipping. The order arrived nicely packed within the 3 weeks from the actual order. As you can see, this is a store I already bought some things before. It has 98.4% positive review. You have a rating of 4.9 out of 5 stars.
And last item for today. Okay. This is not for any particular project, but is for the various projects. So, if you can guess, these are the connectors for the LED strips. What they do is you open them here, you insert the LED strip, you close it, and you have 3 connectors, plus, minus, and the signal connector. So these will be also great for my LED projects. Maybe I'll even use them. I'll probably cut this in 2 and add this to one side to the digital Uno board and then to the LED. So those are 5 LED connectors. Let us check the web listing.
And the last web listing today is from the Razend official store with 97.8% positive feedback. I bought 2 clips with a wire, so those look like this. These are connectors for the LED strips. I will use them for digital LED strips, but you can use them for any LED strip that has 3 connectors. Price was $1.72 for 5 pieces, and it included free shipping with the China Post. The item arrived very fast, and this item has rating of 5 out of 5 stars. Thank you for watching another Mail Day with the BeardedTinker. I hope you enjoyed it. I'll be seeing you in another Mail Day in 2 weeks. If you have any kind of a comment or suggestion, please leave it down below in the comment section. If you still haven't subscribed, please subscribe and hit the bell button so you get notified of the future updates. And if you like this video, please press a like. I'll see you next time. Bye bye and have fun.